Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use gas filters in oxygen not included. Gas filters are essential tools for maintaining a breathable and functional base environment. They allow you to precisely control gas flow, separating a single target gas from a mixed stream. This ensures your duplicants always have the air they need and your industrial processes run smoothly. We'll cover everything from basic setup to advanced applications. To construct a gas filter, you'll need 60 kilograms of refined metal. Once built, connect your mixed gas pipe to its central input. The filter has two distinct output ports, one for the specific gas you select and another for all other gases. Remember to provide 120 watts of power for it to operate. Strategic placement near gas sources or processing areas is key for efficient operation. Gas filters have numerous practical applications in your colony. A common use is separating oxygen from carbon dioxide to ensure your duplicants have fresh air. You can also isolate hydrogen for power generation, feeding it directly into hydrogen generators. They are also useful for filtering out harmful gases like chlorine from your base or ensuring only pure oxygen reaches your oxygen mask docks. Their versatility is immense. To optimize your gas filter's performance, consider adding a gas shutoff valve before it. This allows you to conserve power by only running the filter when necessary. When dealing with multiple gases, prioritize filtering the most abundant or critical gas first. For complex gas separation, you can chain several filters together. Always ensure your output pipes are clear and have sufficient capacity to prevent any back pressure issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.